Hello everyone, I'm Moon the Moon Fairy from Blue Swoon, and let me give you a little disclaimer before the video starts. The following video is a weight stub created by using AI technology. It is not created for an actual voice actor. Yes, this is the first disclaimer I'm giving so far, and I know I'm supposed to be with Blue and telling her what time it is for her right now, but anyway, enjoy the scene where the Monkey King teases Barkley, but Barkley has Tiny Tim's voice and Big Bird has Joy's voice. I better get back to meeting with Blue. Enjoy the video.
Monkey with a clue. Be quiet, Barkley. I'm trying to find a monkey. Hey, Barkley, would you please stop? I'm just trying to find a monkey with a clue.